Graduating from college is supposed to be an exciting time. It marks the beginning of a new chapter. But for many young adults, it's overshadowed by a mountain of student loan debt. Imagine looking at your financial statement and seeing $400,000 in the red. That's the reality for many graduates today. It can feel like a ton of bricks has been placed on your shoulders. The weight of that debt can be suffocating. The monthly payments feel impossible. You're stuck living paycheck to paycheck. The dream of buying a house or starting a family seems miles away. The stress keeps you up at night. You feel trapped, like you'll be paying off these loans forever. But there's hope. You can get out from under this burden. It won't be easy, but freedom is worth the fight. You need a plan, and you need to be willing to work hard. But I'm here to tell you that it can be done. Thousands of people have conquered their student loan debt, and so can you. Don't let this debt control your life. You're not alone. Let's start digging out together. First, take a deep breath. There are ways to manage this. You don't have to let this debt bury you. One option is an income-driven repayment plan. These plans adjust your monthly payments based on your income. This can provide some breathing room if you're struggling to make ends meet. Refinancing is another strategy to consider. This involves taking out a new loan with a lower interest rate to pay off your existing loans. This can save you money over the life of your loan. Just be sure to compare offers from different lenders to get the best deal. Don't forget about loan forgiveness programs. These programs can forgive a portion or all of your student loans if you meet certain criteria. For example, teachers, nurses, and public service workers may be eligible for loan forgiveness. The most important thing is to take action. Don't bury your head in the sand. The longer you wait, the more overwhelming it will feel. Start exploring your options today. Student loan debt doesn't just impact your bank account, it affects your credit score too. Your credit score is a measure of your financial trustworthiness. It's like a report card for your finances. A good credit score is crucial for qualifying for loans, renting an apartment, and even getting a job. Late student loan payments can drag down your credit score. This can make it harder to achieve your financial goals in the future. It's essential to make your payments on time, every time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to help you stay on track. If you're struggling to make your payments, don't ignore the problem. Reach out to your loan servicer. They may be able to work with you to create a more manageable payment plan. Remember, communication is key. Protecting your credit score is crucial, especially when you're dealing with student loan debt. By staying on top of your payments and managing your debt responsibly, you can protect your financial future. Section 4. A light at the end of the tunnel. Real stories of debt-free living. You might be thinking, this is all well and good, but can people really pay off this much debt? The answer is a resounding yes. People just like you are winning with money and becoming completely debt-free. Take Sarah, for example. She graduated with $100,000 in student loan debt. She felt hopeless and trapped, but she decided to take control of her finances. She got on a budget, cut her expenses, and started making extra payments towards her debt. It wasn't easy. Sarah worked extra hours and sacrificed some luxuries, but she was determined to achieve her goal of financial freedom. After 5 years of hard work and dedication, Sarah paid off her student loans in full. Sarah's story is just one of many. There's a whole community of people out there who have overcome massive debt. Their stories are proof that it can be done. Section 5. Join the movement. You are not alone in this fight. Facing a mountain of student loan debt can feel isolating, but you're not alone. Thousands of graduates are fighting the same battle. It's time to break the silence and talk openly about this issue. Share your story. Connect with others who understand what you're going through. Together, we can demand change and advocate for policies that make education more affordable. We can create a future where graduating from college doesn't mean starting your life buried in debt. Don't be afraid to talk about your student loan debt. Sharing your experience can empower you and inspire others. You have the power to take control of your finances and create a brighter future for yourself. Join the movement and let's fight for a debt-free future together.